What happens when artificial intelligence can do almost every job better than us? Think about it. Writing books, running warehouses, diagnosing diseases, even building entire companies. AI is advancing so fast, it feels like the future is sprinting toward us. But here's the question that keeps people up at night. If machines do all the work, how will people survive, thrive, and create wealth? Imagine a world where the cost of living drops dramatically, where education, healthcare, even housing become affordable for everyone. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, calls this vision the Moore's Law for everything. Just like computers got faster and cheaper, AI could make our lives richer, healthier, and more comfortable. It sounds like a dream, but dreams can quickly turn into nightmares if that wealth isn't shared fairly. Yes, some traditional jobs may vanish, but here's the beautiful part. New doors will open. People will stop competing with machines and start creating with them. A single entrepreneur could build a business with just a laptop and an AI assistant. Artists could finally share their visions with the whole world. Teachers could give every child a personalized education. According to Sam Altman, work won't disappear, it will evolve. And humanity might finally focus on what makes us unique: imagination, empathy, and vision. Without sugarcoating, this means we are going to be jobless and idle. Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, said that jobs give people a sense of importance. What happens when AI takes those jobs? I believe Sam Altman is foreseeing this future. That's why he's advocating for a universal basic income, a safety net where everyone receives financial support. Sam Altman believes AI could create so much value that every adult might receive $13,500 a year without raising taxes. In reality, this means so many of us are unemployed and have been reduced to government handouts. What happens to developing countries where the government barely affords to provide basic services like education, security, and health? Another idea: universal basic compute, giving every person access to advanced AI so they can invent, create, and build their own future. Again, this is an argument that makes no sense. Big tech companies can't make money by providing free advanced AI, and this also means making the assumption that we are all interested about technology. The agreement that instead of wealth being locked away, it could flow through society like electricity, powering innovation, could be a big hoodwink to naive people. But let's be real. The same future that could bring abundance could also bring devastating inequality. If AI power stays concentrated in just a few corporations, the gap between rich and poor could become unthinkable. Entire nations could be left behind. This isn't just about money. It's about justice, freedom, and survival. If history is to be gone by, the rich will get richer and the poor will get extremely poor, similar to a plutocracy society. Some thinkers call this future Cognitarianism, an economy where intelligence itself is the engine of growth. It's a radical shift, but history has shown us that every wave of technology changes the way we live and work. The printing press, the steam engine, the internet. But AI is a massive shift from past technological wave. We're talking about self-driving cars, robots working in factories, and soon working our homes. Steam engines, printing press, and the internet weren't doing the work. Humans were. This time, that is about to change. We are standing at the edge of another great leap. So, how will people generate wealth if AI does everything? Maybe by finally partnering with machines instead of competing against them. Maybe by creating a society where everyone has a fair share in the prosperity that AI unlocks. But here's the truth. Whether AI becomes our greatest tool or our greatest threat depends on the choices we make right now. What about you? Do you believe AI will make us all richer, or will it deepen inequality? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your vision of the future. And if this video sparked new ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more explorations into the world of tomorrow.